see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
So today I'm gonna be cleaning side by side, but before I do that, I'm gonna be stitching the stitches back together on this leather door for the first time ever. Well, not the first time ever, man. I wouldn't be doing it on somebody's car, but the first time to somebody's personal car. I kind of wanted to take y'all through my little experience. This is something we're adding to my mobile services, man. Yeah, upholstery repair. I'm already doing paintless dent repair. I just get bored doing the same thing all the time, so I'll be trying to do all these different things. You know what I mean? And I always like to see the outcome, and I always like to show y'all the outcome, man. So y'all comment below and tell me what y'all think the outcome gonna be like. Do y'all think I'm gonna do like a BS job, or do y'all think like this might just turn out to be something? You know what I mean? Of course, I don't do this every day. You know what I mean? So to somebody who does it every day, they're gonna do a way better job than me. But you know, I need that hands-on experience. So I've been doing like a little dent repair and upholstery repair and paint repair, you know, for cheap, just to get the hands-on experience. You get what I'm saying? To see if it's something I like, something I even want to pursue. And yeah, everything I done kind of like got into, I've been able to knock out, man. So y'all check this out. So y'all check this out, man. So I got this door right here. I'm having to figure out how I'm exactly going to get this to stick. I gotta hide the thread, so you know, pinch this together. They got devices that they sell, you know, for that. But I did go to the store. It took me a minute to find the right thread to use. That's not the right needles. Those are right here. Are thicker needles, and it can go through the leather with no problem. I had to get upholstery thread. I was trying to use regular thread at first, man, but these needles right here are thick as I don't know what, man. I just pray I don't poke myself with one of these. So this black thread I got right here, I got this it's upholstery thread. Threading the needle is one of the most craziest things to try to do, man. So I tie mine like 2 and 3 knots. Just hope that I don't lose the thread. I don't really know that much about how to thread a needle. I'm poking this through here to get it started. I'm tying the other part of the thread right after this, but I'm, you know, just trying to get this started out, you know. Where's this go? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stick this over here right now. Loose. Oh man, the thread came loose, so I have to retie it. Told y'all. I told y'all. It's taking me longer probably to get this started than the process probably even is going to take right now. So I'm going behind it. That's how I'm getting started with it. I'm just afraid I'm going to probably do it too tight. So I'm going in, out, in, out. I killed this though, man. Y'all comment below. Y'all hit that like and subscribe. That comment, that share. Whatever's under there. Do something. Y'all see me? Yeah, using the curved needle to the max, man. And this is my first time threading. Look how I got this thing going, y'all. I'm back at it though. And follow through with the other side. And this is something you regularly don't see a detailer doing. I'm just doing this because I get bored doing the same thing over and over again. And a lot of times I see things in people's cars that actually need to be fixed. It's just either they don't know who to call or they just ain't got the money to get it fixed. I'm doing small upholstery. I'm doing small dent repair and small body work. I got people that do them big jobs, man. So I'm tying out this one. Yeah, I got, but it's still some stuff I'm gonna have to fill in with this one, but just bear with me on it. So I'm getting started on the other side really right now. A little bit more easy than the other side because I done got the hang of it. So get this one here prepared right here. Okay, I might have had put it a little bit too tight in areas, but come on, man, this is like my first time doing this type of stitch, and I did hide it, and I dyed in those spots right there where the foam might have been sticking out a little bit, or it was too tight, like right here. I dyed that, but y'all check what y'all think, man. For somebody's first time stitching the dough back together, what do y'all think?